Welcome to Coder Vlog. In this video, I will be adding a 2D skybox in Unity. Okay, Unity 2D game. So there is one problem that most starter or beginner 2D gamer developer are facing, and that is the 2D skybox for a 2D game, because Unity does not provide you a 2D skybox for 2D game. It only provides skybox for 3D games. Okay, so I want something which is compatible with 2D games, a background, a beautiful background for a 2D game. Okay, so currently which the skybox is providing by Unity is not good for a 2D game. It is only compatible with the 3D Unity 3D. Okay, so this is our problem. To solve this problem, I have a solution and I want to share with you, and that is my way of adding 2D skybox. So what is my way? My way is that I just simply add a background image, and I just connect that background image with the camera when a character or player moves, so that background image is also moving with it. So the image look like a skybox, and it infinitely scrolling with a character or a player. So one small image cover all the background, and that image is scrolling infinitely, which look like a 2D skybox. So I will show you practically how I can do that. First of all, I just add that image into a background, and as you see that the image is smaller, so I will increase its size. So first of all, I have to go to the inspector, then I have to go to the sprite render and draw mode, and just change its option to tiled. Okay, so it provide me two options, that is width and height. Just increase its width. Okay, and just keep more. Okay, and now play the game. So now you can see that a background image is looking very good, and it's look like a 2D skybox. But when I move a character, our image is gone. Okay, which look very bad. So to solve this issue and to keep the background image scrolling with a character, I need to connect that image with the camera. Okay, so for that I need to make the image a child of main camera, and then I run it, and when I move a character, so you can see that image is now stuck in the background, and image is not disappearing. Okay, image is also rotating, scrolling or moving with a character, so it is called a background infinite scrolling. And I am successfully making a background image as 2D skybox. So this is my way of making a 2D skybox for Unity 2D games, and now I am enjoying that. So thank you for watching our video, and subscribe my channel and like my video for support and for my motivation. Thank you. See you in next video.